welcome back to Cooking with the Couchsurfer, and today we have here...
Hello, I'm Hyung from South Korea, living in Austria. So I'm just assisting our chef.
The main chef.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sue. I'm from Malaysia, and today we're making some Bak Kut Teh, which is a Malaysian dish, and it's a very nice
It's
spiced soup.
Hello everyone. Some vegetables, potato,
So we have chicken
chicken.
and 3 vegetables, and then we have a secret ingredient that's in my bag.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wow. So this is a traditional Malaysian dish?
Traditional Malaysian dish.
Okay.
You can't find it anywhere else.
Is this one of the dishes you are fighting with Indonesia about? Which
No,
is the...
they don't even have this.
Okay. Right, so what do you mix in here now?
So we have onion and chili and some garlic, and we've added the chicken, and then we're going to add the vegetables last, and then the secret ingredient.
Okay. So now you have put a lot of water in it,
Yes,
so it's just gonna boil for...
we have to boil it first,
Mhm.
and then we add a bag of spice. We mix.
So you had these secret ingredients with you?
Yep,
So it's a bag
Dump
of
it
different spices,
yep,
and you also put some soy sauce in.
yep. A little bit of soy sauce, and then wait for it to boil.
So it boils for half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just put the mushroom in.
All right, it's done. Smells delicious.
Okay, time to eat. I'll put it for you
Okay.
the way it should be placed. Rice and soup.
All right, try the taste now. Wow, this is some special kind of taste.
Right, you've not tasted it, right? There
I
you
don't
go.
think I have. Very good flavor. I approve.
Have you ever not approved something?
No. So what does the chef think about it?
I think,
Tastes like home?
yeah. Yeah. It's nice.
And
It's like there is a black chicken soup in Thailand.
similar to that.
In Thailand.
Good.
Alright, so that was it. Another episode of Cooking with the Couchsurfer. Hope you like. So subscribe, click like, comment, and see you next time.